Greetings everyone, this is Jim Todd with Video Surgeon, and I'd like to give you another sneak peek video tip. So in this installment of video tips, we're going to show you what we've been working on most recently, which is the text and shapes module, which is right down here. So before I show that to you, let me just show you what it looks like on the screen. So we're going to start a video playing. So, as you can see, we have the ability to insert text or shapes or both, and we can put those on the screen to highlight or notate certain sections of the video. So that's what it looks like on a guitar video. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this might look like on a golf video. Okay, so let's take a look at how this all works. So right here is the text and shapes menu. You select it. We've got a number of preset shapes here which you can choose from. We've got two preset tabs. We're not completely done with this yet. So let's just work from this one. We can grab just plain old text, drop it and put it on the screen. We go ahead and we can grab it and stretch it, and it makes it bigger. You can also control the text or font size by going up or down here. And we can also control it with this slider here. Change the color. As you can see there. So once it's on the screen, then it's also put on the timeline, and if you want to lengthen however long it appears or shorten it, you can do that, or you can grab a hold of it and move the location which it appears in the video. In this case, we can move it so it appears here. So you can do all of those things. In addition, you've got some other formatting options here. We've got opacity that we control. We've got a large number of different fonts that you can select from. You can select regular, bold, italics, underline. In addition to changing the text color, we can also change the color of the shape itself. So as you can see, we can change that. And then the last thing we can do is we can grab a hold of this thing and we can spin it, and we can put it in any direction that we want, to point it if it's an arrow, or to reposition it or something like that. So that's basically it. We are in the final stages of making some fine-tuning adjustments here, but that's basically how it works. So the question you may ask is, well, what's this all about? Why do I need this? And the answer is, whether you're a student, a teacher, or a do-it-yourself learner, it may have some advantages here. So obviously, if you're a teacher and you are working with a student and you want to annotate or highlight parts of the video, you can put these notes on there. You can export the video then, and you can save a new video with these notes embedded in it. If you're a student, you can sort of do the opposite. If you're working on something, you could put notes or texts and shapes with notes onto a video and then send it to your guitar instructor to point out specific items or things for him to look at. And then the last thing is, if you're a do-it-yourself learner, like a lot of you guys are guitar players, golf players, tennis players, not only can you slow it down and zoom in, but you can also put shapes, put lines, draw things like that to help remind you and to reinforce certain aspects of the video that you'd like to focus on. So there are a number of different uses for this. It is new to this version, and I hope that you find it helpful. The last thing that I want to show you as I was putting this video together, one thing that I saw on my screen that I thought was pretty cool is this. So we can take a video like this, and this is a HD video, but it's only 1280 by 720, and as you can see, we can fairly clearly see what's going on, but if we need to get closer, we can get a lot closer. And I just thought that that really showcases the power of what this can do. So let's go to the full screen mode. There you go. It's already a lot bigger, right? But now let's go ahead and zoom in even more. We can bury this thing, slide it back here. Look how large those fingers are. So it really gives you the ability to zoom in to a tremendous degree. So if you need to see exact fingerings, you can see them here. And when you compare that with where we started, again, which was here, that's a huge difference. So with that, we'll conclude this sneak peek video tip. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.